In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the Down to Earth quest in Arc Raiders. So you can see I'm going to show you the logbook right here. Oh, sorry, the map here actually. So you can see I'm currently on the Down to Earth here. So basically what we have to do firstly is to find this thing right here that it says carry right here, as you can see. And we need to deliver it to a field, like field depot, I think it's called. And I was able to mark one right here. As you can see, I'm on the damn Battlegrounds map, by the way, and I was able to find this thing that we need to carry right here. You're not always going to find it exactly right here, but basically it's quite often going to be in that spot. If you don't find it in here, just run around all of these houses right here. And hopefully this is not going to see me, by the way. It's kind of annoying. I don't think actually I'm going to try if we can run. Yeah, we can run, but we're still very, very slow. It's not ideal. And by the way, I would, if when you find the field, the depot, make sure to mark it on the map so that you know exactly where you are going to walk back later on. And otherwise, this is going to be like really annoying to find it again. But yeah, here it is, as you can see. So let's deliver it. I should get some nice items for it as well. So let's see. So we have to deliver it right here, as you can see. So just deliver it here. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to complete the quest. And don't forget to search here as well, because you will get some items, as you can see. That is how to complete this quest.